Hey Ryan, I'm your new stepmom. I'll take care of you like my own. I love having you close like this.
Okay, Ruby.
This house is now under my rules. So listen up, because I mean business. The kitchen runs my way.
You eat too much on your father's money. And now you're just pushing my limits. Take some responsibility for once! But I'm still hungry. You just finished your plate.
I know, but I'm still hungry.
All right, you can have a little more. Really? Thanks. David, your son is completely yours. Make the will in my name only.
I don't know, Ruby B.
Trust me, honey, it's for our future.
Where are your books?
I don't know!
You're so lazy.
I'm not! I just forgot!
Excuses, you're always like this. I'll find them, I promise. You lost them again? How are you this careless?
Give them back!
Happy-
My exam is tomorrow.
Give what back?
I don't have your stupid books!
Hey, don't raise your voice at me!
What was that for? You said you made it!
Dare!
I was not yours to one can, man!
I have every right to be angry.
This is crazy! What was that for?
Respect me or get out of this house.
You're crazy! I didn't do anything! I won't tolerate disrespect! Get out!
Fine, I'm leaving. Good, don't come back.
You're ruining my life. You're ruining my life. Go cry to your dead mom then.
I control everything now.
Your father listens only to me. It's not fair.
Life is never fair, kid. David, your son tried to hit me.
He is dangerous for our family. She is lying, Dad.
He wants to destroy us. Sign the papers in my name.
You're stealing everything.
I deserve this house.
You never loved me anyway.
I can't take this anymore.
Then pack your bags and go.
Go cry at your mother's grave. This house belongs to me now. You are not my son. Get out of my sight. You heard me. Get out of my sight. This house is mine now, and you have no place here.
Please, this can't be real.
Call me whatever you want. I win, you lose. Take nothing with you.
Dad will know the truth.
Your dad is already mine.
Ruby, I have the recordings.
That's fake! You can't prove anything.
You planned to kick Ryan out.
I did it for my future. None of you ever accepted me.
How could you betray us?
You left me no choice. Yes, I did everything! I wanted the money and house. I never cared about Ryan.
Get out of my house right now!
You will regret this.
Dad, I'm sorry.
It was my mistake, son.
This is not over. I'll take what I want.
We don't need you. It's just you and me now.
You'll miss me.
We are family again.